Welcome to Switzerland, a country where nature's beauty meets timeless culture. From tranquil alpine meadows to vibrant cities steeped in history, Switzerland offers the perfect blend of relaxation, scenic beauty, and culinary indulgence. Whether you're looking for peaceful moments in nature or immersing yourself in the rich traditions of Swiss life, this journey will reveal the best of Switzerland for 2024. We begin in Interlaken, a peaceful retreat nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. While known as an adventure hub, Interlaken also offers relaxation and natural beauty for those looking to unwind. Enjoy a boat cruise across the lakes, where you can take in the stunning views of the surrounding mountains at a slower pace. Take time to savor a coffee or a fresh pastry at one of Interlaken's charming lakeside cafes. The combination of alpine views and delicious treats will make you feel at home in this serene corner of Switzerland. Next, we journey to Grindelwald, a picturesque village at the foot of the Eiger Mountain. Here, nature invites you to slow down and breathe in the fresh mountain air. Stroll through the alpine meadows, listen to the sound of cowbells echoing in the distance, and enjoy the natural beauty all around you. Take a scenic gondola ride up to First, where you can experience gentle walking trails with panoramic views of the Alps. You don't need to hike far to enjoy the tranquility of nature here. Our next stop is Zermatt, a village that sits beneath the iconic Matterhorn. Unlike many places, Zermatt is car-free, making it the perfect destination for a peaceful, relaxing stay. Stroll through the village's charming streets, visit local shops, and take in the unforgettable view of the Matterhorn from the comfort of a cafe terrace. Dine in style at one of Zermatt's many restaurants, where you can enjoy authentic Swiss cuisine paired with breathtaking views. Don't miss a chance to try the local specialty, raclette, melted Swiss cheese served with potatoes and pickles. It's a true taste of Switzerland. We now head to the Lauterbrunnen Valley, one of Switzerland's most tranquil and beautiful regions. Known as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls, it's a place where nature's wonders are on full display. Walk along gentle trails, surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls, and let the sound of flowing water soothe your mind. Pack a picnic and enjoy a relaxing afternoon beneath the Staubach Falls, one of the highest free-falling waterfalls in Europe. The Lauterbrunnen Valley is the perfect place to reconnect with nature at your own pace. Next, we explore the charming city of Lucerne, known for its rich history, stunning lake views, and warm hospitality. Take a walk across the Chapel Bridge, the oldest covered bridge in Europe, or simply stroll along the shores of Lake Lucerne, where the combination of city life and natural beauty creates a perfect harmony. Lucerne is also a culinary delight. Treat yourself to a delicious meal at one of the many outdoor restaurants, and don't forget to try the Swiss fondue, a classic dish where you dip bread into a pot of melted cheese, a must-try for any visitor. One of Switzerland's most iconic experiences is the train ride to Jungfraujoch, known as the top of Europe. At over 11,000 feet, this journey takes you through breathtaking alpine landscapes to Europe's highest railway station. Sit back, relax, and watch the scenery unfold as you pass through tunnels, snowfields, and glaciers. Once at the top, explore the Ice Palace, where the glacier's stunning ice sculptures create an otherworldly atmosphere. It's a place where nature's beauty is frozen in time. Finally, we head to the sunny region of Ticino, where Switzerland meets the Mediterranean. This southern part of the country feels like a world of its own, with palm-lined streets, colourful villages, and warm weather. Visit the charming town of Ascona, where you can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the lakefront and dine at lakeside cafes. Take a boat ride across Lake Maggiore, where you'll find beautiful landscapes and a peaceful escape from everyday life. It's the perfect place to end your Swiss journey. From the tranquil lakes of Interlaken to the sun-drenched streets of Ticino, Switzerland offers a peaceful and relaxing escape for travelers looking to experience the best of nature, culture, and cuisine. Whether you're exploring charming alpine villages or enjoying a quiet moment by the lake, Switzerland promises unforgettable memories for every traveler. Join us on this journey and discover the timeless beauty that awaits.